Alright guys, so real quick before we start the video, I'm doing a giveaway for the Supreme gloves. All you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. Make sure you comment in this video your IG username. So subscribe, follow me on Instagram, comment your IG username. Jordan Brand will be releasing a upcoming Air Jordan 1 Zoom as a part of Nike's latest Space Hippie collection inspired by life on Mars. Materials are sacred and there is no resupply mission. Created by scraps or space junk, Space Hippie is the result of sustainable practices meeting radical design. Dressed in a black, wolf gray, and flash crimson color scheme, this Air Jordan 1 features a gray and black textile upper made from recycled materials with red stitching in the rear and tongue. Zoom branding on the lateral tag and tongue with an exposed padded collar atop a white speckled midsole and multicolored speckled outsole. Look for the Air Jordan 1 High Zoom Crater to release September 11th at select retailers. Retail price tag is set at $175. Now I will go over places to cop this shoe, places holding raffles, all that good stuff. I also will be going over resale, but before we do that, let's just talk about this shoe. Starting off, the colorway is super dope in my opinion. It's a very neutral, like dark gray, black type of color scheme, which I think can go with a lot of outfits. Then you do have the Space Hippie materials, which is all recycled items, which I think is super cool. To top it off, this is a Jordan 1 Zoom, meaning it has the Zoom Air technology in the insole, which is super nice. Anyone who wears Jordan 1s, they know they're not that comfortable. I personally really like the Zoom Air put into a Jordan 1. I think it makes a huge difference. One thing I really like about this colorway is not only is the tongue cut, but the whole heel section is cut. Now you have black laces. I think some white laces would look dope. Maybe some red ones. They have a Nike Zoom logo on the top of the tongue. You do have the cut lining, red insole with a black Nike Zoom logo on that insole. A white speckled midsole with this speckled Nike grind type outsole. Now let's get into resale. This shoe on StockX is currently going for around $300. I see this shoe going for $200 to $350 depending on the size. Now I think it will be in that lower 200 range right after release. I do think if you are able to cop this shoe, you should hold on to it for at least 6 months, because I really believe that after 6 months this shoe will be up at 300 and plus. But yeah, those are my resale predictions. Let me know what you think of the sneaker. Are you going for a personal? Are you going to try and resell? Let me know all that good stuff. Now, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.
I don't trust no one but a guy that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but a guy that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once.